A true story for our early supporters. First, thank you. The last few days were intense, and your steady support mattered more than you know. Here's what happened at listing. One Launchpad partner failed to distribute tokens as planned. A large allocation hit the market immediately, creating early sell pressure and hurting liquidity. We reacted fast. Our only priority was protecting people. We returned all funds raised on that Launchpad. No participant lost money. Now we're focused on what we control. Improving market conditions and rebuilding healthy liquidity. Fixing distribution, communication, and exchange visibility. Continuing to rebuild the community stronger than before. The market is responding. SUT is up 700% in 24 hours and over 1,000% in the last 72 hours on Bitmart. To everyone who held through the turbulence, respect. More eyes are watching. Momentum is building. Use only official Bitmart links. Ignore direct messages. Avoid fake accounts. More updates soon. Be sanity, be united.